Good morning, class. Welcome to your daily overview for today. Today, your learning goal is to interpret artwork through discussion or critique using appropriate visual art vocabulary. We're going to be looking at an art critique slideshow where I'm going to talk you through the images, how to view them, how to analyze them, and how to discuss them according to the way you should be discussing art in class. So your central question is, how does knowing and using art vocabularies help us understand and interpret works of art? It's important to understand what the vocabulary for art is so that we can accurately express what we're seeing, or accurately describe what we're seeing, and express our objective views of the project. And then your vocabulary is describe, analyze, interpret, and evaluate. Those are the four criteria for art criticism. And lastly, you have the word objective as a vocab word because we want to make sure we view artwork objectively and not subjectively. Subjectively refers to basically putting your own opinions and feelings into the work, where when you look at something objectively, you're just looking at what is and you're making factual statements aside from any kind of personal feelings or bias against the work itself. So moving forward for your task list for today, first you're going to watch that art critique discussion. So watch that entire video, it's very important. Once you're done the video itself, you're then going to read the sample teacher critique. That will help guide your understanding of how a critique should be written. It only takes a minute to read that, so please do that. And then once you've done the PowerPoint, you've read the sample critique, then you're going to complete the practice critique discussion of a second artwork where you're going to answer 3 basic questions in response to that image. This is an easy 12 points. Yesterday you got 5 for just submitting the My First Drawing, the line drawing, and then also doing your agreement for your student handbook. So this is 12 points. So make sure you do that. This will really boost your grade, give your grade a lot of strength as we move forward in the next week. Once you've written your practice student critique, and please make sure you answer all 3 questions. The rubric is set so that you're going to get 4 points per answer, so make sure you answer all 3 questions. You can even copy and paste the questions into your response if that helps. And then lastly, you're going to spend the rest of the class just continuing your first drawing, except you're going to be adding color today. So the idea is that yesterday you did the line drawing of your image, and then today you are going to add color to your subject and even the background as needed. If you already finished your drawing from yesterday, or you'd rather not add color and just work on a second drawing, that's fine. Just make sure you submit a photograph at the end of class of your work to show me that A, you were in class and did your work, and B, that you're getting used to the process of submitting an image of your work every day. And then your materials list is at the bottom. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'll be here to help all day, and I look forward to seeing your projects, and also we'll be starting the first unit next class. All right, bye everyone.